Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your HP ZBook Firefly 14 without the Microsoft account. If you wish to set it up without the Microsoft account, it's gonna be very simple, but one big rule is do not be connected to internet. So if you already have connected, you should walk away from the router far enough that you lose the connection, or turn the router off just for a moment. Now, once we have that established, simply click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard. It should bring this black window. If it doesn't, then try clicking on Shift, Fn and F10. Fn is the key which is on the left side of the Windows key on the bottom row of the keyboard. Now type in OOBE. If it doesn't start typing in, just use your mouse to click on the top bar of this black window, or click on Alt-Tab on your keyboard until the black window is selected. Now type in OOBE /, this is the /bypassNRO. I'm gonna zoom that in for you so you can see a bit better. This is the command that should be entered. Now click on Enter. Your laptop will restart, and after the restart, I'm gonna show you the whole process of setup without the Microsoft account. Now we are in the setup, and the OOBE command has added one option which you'll see in a moment. But first, select the country or region, click on Yes, and select the keyboard layout or input method. Click on Yes, and you can add a second layout or skip it for now. Now you have a new option. I don't have internet. It has appeared after we've entered the command. Once you click on it, you can turn your router on again, or go back to it, or leave where you are, because you just won't get connected to internet now. Let's accept the license agreement and enter your local account name. If you've gotten to that step, then you know that you aren't logging into a Microsoft account because you're creating a local account. Let's just make a name for it. I also highly recommend setting a password, so do it, then you'll need to confirm it and set up 3 security questions, and you should answer them truthfully, so you just don't forget the answers to those questions, because in case you forget the password, you need to answer 3 security questions in order to restore the password, and if you forget the answers, then there will be no way to restore your password, and you'll need to install Windows again. Now review these privacy settings. I highly recommend reviewing them on your own so you know what you're agreeing to, and then wait a moment until it configures your account. I'm gonna get back to you when that's done. Now your account is set up. Feel free to connect to Wi-Fi now by clicking on this control center icon. Now making sure Wi-Fi is enabled, clicking on the arrow next to it, clicking on connect. Now you can enter the password freely, and you will be asked about signing into Microsoft account, but it won't be mandatory. There will always be a skip button from now on. And that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.